Video we will see how to generate two types of bot. The first one is generating business cards for employees belonging to a particular company, and the second bot is about calculating the calories of the food and displaying the total calorie to the user. So we have a default business card template in a PPT form, and we have details of the employees in an Excel sheet. So we will start the automation using the UIPATH STUDIOX. To first of all access the Excel file, we will use Excel file activity. We will locate the Excel file. My Excel file and presentation are both present in the input file folder. So let me locate it first, and I will also locate the template file, which is also the details file section. And to loop over the data given in the Excel sheet, we have to use for each row activity. Now we will mention the sheet in which we will perform the operations. My details are given in the sheet 1, so I will mention sheet 1, and my file also has headers, so I will mark the headers option. Then to access the PowerPoint presentation, we will use PowerPoint presentation activity. Let me drag and drop it over here, and I will first locate the presentation, and I will mention do not save changes because it is a default presentation. We have to change the data again and again, so we will not save change. Then next, in the presentation file, we have to change the name, position, phone number, email, and city. So for that, we have to use replace text in presentation activity to change the default value to the details given in the Excel sheet. So first of all, we will change the name of the presentation. We will mention change find name and replace it with the names column in the Excel sheet. Again, we will use it. We will find position and replace it with the position column. This goes on to every details we are given in the presentation. So now we will find the phone numbers default. To change the default value of the phone number, let me select and paste it in the text. We will replace it with the phone number column. I will use this again and change the email. So here I have given name as the default value. So let me change find name and replace it with the email column. And lastly, the location we will find. So here I have given the default value as city, so we will mention city, find city and replace it with the location row. So after changing all the default values, we will save these business cards in the form of a presentation in PDF. So we'll use save presentation as PDF activity. For quicker access, we will save the file as the name of the employee. So now that we have completed, we will try to execute the program now. You can see the PDF files are now being generated. There are 3 employees: Monica Geller, Phoebe Buffet and Rachel Green. We will now verify it by opening it. You can see all the details have been changed. So now let's move on to the next bot.